Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Fernanda if you guys don't already know. And I'm going in with my Morphe 35B palette and going in with that red and that kind of orangey pink color type of color. Grabbing those two shades and just placing that all over the crease and just kind of building those two shades up.
Think us bad bitches, it's a gift from God. I think you broke hoes need to get a job. Now I'm a boss, I write my own name on the checks. Pussy so good, I said my own name during sex. I might smack a bitch cause I felt like it.
Now going in with my Jaclyn Hill, you guys already know I love this palette. Going in with that shade called Huns. And I'm going to just be placing this in the outer V just to kind of like darken up the color and have a little bit more of a red tone kind of shade. So I placed that color.
Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, shit was different for me.
Blending all those shades in together so you know it doesn't really look that harsh.
Poppin', but you really not gon' shoot. 90 pointers, time my diamond look like hula hoops. Hoppin', moppin', take her in the seats of my suits. Balenciaga, check my Prada Valentino boots.
Then I'm going back in with my Jaclyn Hill palette and going in with that shade called Jax. And I'm just going to be building up that shade because that's like kind of like a little burgundy type of shade. So you don't want to build that shade up. And then we're just going to be blending it because, you know, I need to be blending every shade I put in my eyes. Going in with the Glamour Flow Concealer by Hard Candy in shade Light. And I'm just going to be carving out my crease all the way out. So it's going to be a full cut crease.
Drunk on Broadway. Light it up what it tastes like. Lemonade when it's made right.
Now going back with the Morphe 35B palette. Grabbing that white shade to set the concealer. And just setting the concealer so it stays in place. Then grabbing that shade called Jax and just going to be placing that in the outer V again. So it just darkens up the shade a little bit more and it gives it a little bit more red vibes. Then we're just going to go in and blend everything nice and neat. Now we're going to be grabbing that shade right there called Central Park. It's like a dark brown shade and just going to be placing it just to darken up the crease, the outer part of the crease a little bit more. Then I'm going to be grabbing that orange shade right there. I really love this orange shade. Just grabbing it and then placing it inside of the crease, but in the outer part of the crease. And just going to be building up that orange shade. And then once you have that, you just want to be blending it out. Then we're going to go in with Abs and Central Park to darken it a little bit more. So I want to add a little bit black into the outer part of the eye. So I added Abs and I just darken it up. Then going back in with the orange and kind of replacing that where I put it so it looks a little bit more brighter. So you're going to grab that orange and just place it right in the inner corner of the in the outer corner of the eye, and then just be blending it in. Grabbing this brush, yes, they're so pretty. Shout out to Karina for getting me these brushes. She got me a whole entire set, yeah, and I really love them so much. So shout out to Karina. Thank you so much for the brushes, and I love you. You're a real one. You're the best. And I'm gonna be grabbing that shade right there. It's like a yellow poppin' shade. So, you know, be placing that in the outer V of the eye and just kind of like going back in because that yellow is not that pigmented. So, you have to grab that yellow and then just be placing more and more to it so it could be bright. And I decided to go in with another yellow.
Go woo on a bitch. 5790 spent the coupe on my wrist. Multi-million-dollar, I'm a fool with the hits. Hop up in the lemon, drop the roof, show the tits. Poppin', but you really not gon' shoot. 90 pointers, time my diamond look like hula hoops. Hoppin', moppin', take her in the seats of my suits.
Then I'm just going to be blending everything nice and neat. Going in with my L'Oreal, you already know, this is one of my favorite eyeliners. And just going to be tracing the eye and just making my eyeliner. But I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild and then just fill in my eyeliner. So you guys kind of see what I'm doing. I like to use the Wet n Wild because it's a little bit darker than the other one. So this is why I use it. And then going in with that shade right there called Huns. Waterline. And then I'm going to go in with that shade called Bean and just place that in my eyebrow so it looks poppin'. Going in with that glitter and just be placing that in the inner corner of the eye so it just pops up a little bit more with the yellow I put on there. Going in with these lashes, I've already wanted to go in with some dramatic lashes, and you guys already know I love dramatic lashes, so I'm going to be placing some dramatic lashes with this look because it's just like simple makeup kind of. So I'm going to go in with the Better Than Sex mascara and just placing these on the top of and the bottom of my lashes and just make them look nice and cute. And I'm going to be doing my face off camera, so I'll be back with my face done. So this is my face done and my eyes. And now I'm going to be going in with my Fenty Beauty lip gloss.
Trick, I'm the man. Act like you know me. Popping off like a semi. Man, I rap.
And with my Tarteist Pro Glow. Going in with my Morphe E61 and grabbing that shade called Stunner. And just grab it because, I mean, girl, it's pigmented. You don't even need to wet your brush. Look at how pigmented it is right now. Yes, girl. Place those on the cheeks, the nose, the forehead, and...
Nah, nigga, nah, you gon' have to call me. Cause I'm looking at these messages, they on me. Acting like they ain't niggas that want me. Let another nigga in your spot. And you gon' be hot, nigga, cough me. You gon' be sick to your stomach.
Then I like to go blend my highlight because sometimes it might be a little bit rough or it might look like a line in your cheeks. So I go in with the brush and just blend everything nice and neat. Then going in with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer and just be placing this in all over the face so you know it looks popping at the end and it lasts all day and night, and just kind of like fanning this out. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time.
Aquí prohibido mal, dile